Hi, I'm now with Victor from Repsol. Today we get an opportunity to have a short interview with him. I believe that he has something to tell us. Hi Victor, can you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about Repsol and its existence in Indonesian market?
Yeah. Hello Indonesia, apa kabar? I'm Victor. I'm the head of product development here in Indonesia for both brands, for Repsol and for PLI. After the agreement between both companies, I settled down here. I'm physically located here in Indonesia to take over all the technical issues. So we are developing, we are improving our formulations to attend the Asia Pacific market. So besides this, I've been working in Repsol for the last 10 years in our headquarters in Spain, and they appointed me to come here to bring all the quality standards we have there, all the know-how, all the knowledge in developing new products.
So Victor, how does Repsol develop a product that is suitable for the local market? As you know, Indonesia is a tropical country, and the climate and also the environment can be very challenging at times. So it is very unique for the engine. So what do you think about it?
So you are right. We are following vehicle manufacturers' approvals. We are also using industrial standards to develop our products, but as well, we are working very close to Indonesian market to have a better approach, understanding their needs and how the oil should work here in Indonesia. So from reliable products that in which we are using formulations well proven already in Spain in many years, to very unique and dedicated products. We are covering the whole portfolio in order to offer to our customers the proper lubrication for their engines. So our engineers, our researchers has a deep knowledge of the lubricant, and we are providing to the lubricant the right features in order to feel that your engine is working smoothly, efficiently, and of course protected.
So Victor, how does Repsol ensure the best quality in each of its products?
Okay, so it's the place to be. We are in our own lab to do the bench test we are doing in order to ensure the performance of our lubricants, and also we can count on the Tech Lab research center we have in Madrid. If we need to carry out some additional tests in order to guarantee the performance of our lubricants, we also can use it.
I heard Repsol introducing the XR technology. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, actually XR technology is the technology Repsol wants to bring to Indonesia in order to improve the features of our products here to match with your request. So actually we are looking at three main concepts. One is the wear protection, the other one is the cleanliness into the engine, and the last one but not least is the oil durability. So wear protection means that we are reinforced our lubricants in order to reduce the wear in the most critical part of the engine. So creating a thin layer of oil, we reduce the wear between metallic parts to avoid the rubbing. Then we can improve the performance, reduce the wear, and we have found using our XR technology up to 30% less wear in some bench tests. Regarding the cleanliness into the engine, one essential feature that should be in our oil is the availability to keep the chute thinly dispersed into the oil to avoid oil thickening, to control the sludge and varnish build up, and also to avoid the blockage of the small tolerance parts in our engine. That's why we have improved a lot our dispersion additives in order to achieve the desired performance. And the last, the oil durability, how to extend the drain oil interval. This was one of the biggest concerns we have at Repsol for Indonesian market. That's why we forgot about the Group 1, so we are using only Group 2 and Group 3 technology because they have inherent better antioxidant capabilities to improve and to reach longer. And also on top of this, we are boosting our formulations with the latest generation or additive for antioxidant to improve as well the feature of our products.
Is there any other benefit using the XR technology?
Yes, actually two more points to be considered. One is the fuel quality we are facing here. As you probably know, the quality of the fuel here is not the same as the quality of the fuel we have in Spain or in Europe, so that's why this forced us to modify our formulations. So we reinforced our TVM values and also we improved our TVM retention in order to deal with the acid generated in the combustion chamber in order to avoid corrosion and to reach a longer period of time. So the last concern that Repsol had when developing the XR technology was the challenging weather that we are facing here. So it's really hot and a lot of humidity. So this forced us to improve antioxidant capability into the oil. So summarizing, Repsol XR technology will provide you outstanding wear protection, outstanding antioxidant capacity. So when you buy Repsol, make sure you buy XR technology.
Okay, I see Repsol paying a big attention to scooter market in Indonesia. Why is that?
Yes, you're right, and it's basically because scooters is the largest market for MCO in Indonesia. For the last few years, automatic scooters became even more relevant, bringing with them the concept of JSO MB products. We want to highlight two main concepts related with the friction coefficient in the oil. One is the fuel efficiency. The lubricant helps the engine to reduce the friction between metallic moving parts into the engine. That means that less energy is required to start running the engine. Therefore, we may find some saving in fuels and of course in money. And the second main concept is what you call cooling tech. Okay, one of the biggest concerns Repsol has for automatic scooters is how to cool down the system. And it's because the cooling system that we have in an automatic scooter is less effective than the cooling system that we have in a passenger car. It's because we are using air instead of water. The friction between moving parts in the engine will raise up the temperature. So if we can create a thin layer of oil with a very low friction coefficient between the moving parts, there will be less friction into the engine and less heat will be generated. This allows you to reach the desired cooling feature, and this is something that you can really feel under your feet when you ride an automatic scooter.
Okay, Victor, thank you so much for your time and also your explanation.
You are more than welcome. Terima kasih.
See you next time.